Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Did I see your comment? You asked me. Have you seen my comment?
How are you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah. How are you?
I am fine. What's going on in your life?
Not a whole bunch. I'm just talking to people. And what's going on with you?
I like your program.
Thank you so much. Can you?
It is.
It
Yes.
is what?
Tell me.
Can you give your introduction?
Okay, my name is Rafiullah. I am from KPK, Pakistan.
Mashallah.
Do you know Peshawar?
Yes.
And
My husband is from
I have-
Swat.
I have done Bachelor of Arts from University of Malakand, and now I am a small businessman.
Mashallah, mashallah. So do you do art?
What?
Do you do art? You said that you did a bachelor's of art. Do you draw?
Yeah,
or do
yeah,
you
yeah.
paint?
Yeah, Bachelor of Art.
Do you have examples of your work? Can we see?
Sorry, ma'am?
You did a bachelor's of art.
Yes,
Is it like just art history, or are you an artist?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you an artist?
No, ma'am.
So like art history?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Yeah, let's. Hmm?
What did you want to say?
I like your program very much. It is very good, not only for Pakistani peoples, but for all who never talk in English.
Yes, absolutely. And you're doing so good, mashallah, mashallah.
Thank you. Do you know this?
That's like a for prayer cap.
Yes, it is very famous in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
I have one that's very famous. Let me show you mine. Mine's not that kind. Mine's a different kind. I'll show you. Hold on. This kind.
Oh! Do you know? It is pakol.
I knew there was a word. I asked someone the other day, and they're like, "Taught me," and I'm like, "No, there's a special word for that."
It is very good and mostly in cold and cold time and cold season. Mostly I use this in cool seasons.
Well, here it's cold. I don't wear it ever. Like I just like put it on my wall. Like let's see if I can.
When
It's
I'm
on my wall.
Mashallah. When you again come to Pakistan, I will give you from Chitral.
Mashallah. Yeah, my our home is in Mingora. We have a house in Mingora.
Mingora.
Yeah. So.
Swat.
Yes. So yeah. So,
are you going to Kalam or Gilgit Baltistan?
one day, inshallah, like we want to see everywhere in Pakistan. Well,
Please come. We will wait you. We will wait you. Inshallah, come soon. Come soon to Pakistan.
I don't know if it'll be soon, but there for sure I will go to Pakistan again and again. You know, because my husband's from Pakistan.
Okay, ma'am. Please tell me about yourself. What's your hobbies? What's your name? Where are you from?
I've already said this like twice today. Mara Khan. I'm a revert Muslim in America. Hold on, I have to like shift so you guys can see me. I'm a registered nurse. I have 2 kids. My husband is from Mingora or Shangla. And
okay, Your husband from Mingora?
Shangla, but we have our house in Mingora now. Our house is in Mingora.
Okay, mashallah.
But he was born
I
in
am very
Shangla.
happy.